Food? I don't have nothing myself. He says he's gonna give you something. There's no food, bro. You wanna come and get my hand? Come on. Jump in. Jump in. Get my hand. Come on, bro. You wanna come in? What do you feel like eating today? Right, because you come to the bakery station. You know, you come to the bakery station, but at the bakery they don't have nothing for bird. Look, they got chicken. Yeah. You sure he's gonna eat that?
I think he eat anything. He's hungry. I don't know if it's hard.
A good Samaritan is helping that bird, but he doesn't have no cash. He only got credit card. Isn't that lovely? God is good, man. They understand your prayer, man. Come on.
I don't know if you can eat this now.
I'm not sure you can. Come on, go eat that. There we go. Help yourself out. Don't choke.
I knew he was hungry because when I was walking, he was making all kind of noise. Then he followed me to the door. When you see me, he eat it.
It's trying. Yep.
There you go.
You turned the bird into a carnival, bro.
Huh?
You turned the bird into a carnival. They should. You guys should eat grains.
You better find your mommy.
God bless you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, by the way, one quick question. The funniest thing ever seen, a bird that talked to human. This bird come very close to us and start asking for food. Now he wants water. Come and check this out. Something that we never seen before. There we go. They're gonna bring him some water after finish eating. And all right, now you can drink your water. They go right there, bro. Come on, there's nothing more we can give you.
You want to be my friend, man? I gotta work, bro.
Give him an apron.
You want an apron? We got a little hat. You got food.
How you doing?
With the wings.
This guy came here. No, he come for a refound.
Walking into the door, I hear this guy fly right up to me.
The thing is, he was here last night. He forgot his credit card.
You want to talk to the manager?
Can we get him a manager? You guys can get some grain and give him like some rice and stuff like that, like you know, uncooked rice and stuff like that would be great.
He's sitting there.
He's not gonna go nowhere until you guys give him anything to eat. Isn't that a miracle? Only through God you can see such a such a miracle. Hey, okay. There you go. Now he's getting mad. Now he's getting mad. What do you want to say now? You want to talk to him? I've never seen that before.
Yeah, man.
I've never seen that before. Hey, don't come on me, bro. I don't have nothing to do with that. Whoa. Hey, partner. Hey, it's beating me up, man.
He probably lost his mom.
That's not a baby bird though.
Probably the wing of probably.
Just now.
The wing probably.
No, he was flying.
No, he was flying. He flew. He just flew right there.
You can tell he's young. He just got his wings. But don't touch him though, because if you touch him, your scent will go on him and his mom will be home.
Yeah, they won't. Yeah, that's true. All right, partner. Let's have a small interview. Let's have a small interview. Come on, talk to me. What do you want? What do you want to tell people around here? You lost your credit card and you come and get it. They won't give it to you. All right. See you later.